After watching this, you will never throw away used tea bags again. Since ancient times, tea has been a popular beverage around the world. You might be surprised to know that it's the most consumed beverage after water. Tea is consumed worldwide every day by about 3.7 billion people. Tea bags produce a lot of waste, so you can imagine how much waste comes along with them. Would you believe me if I told you that you can actually use those around the house? Including them in your beauty routine is even possible. In this way, you can save money on expensive products, while helping the environment. So get your used tea bags ready, and let's begin. 1. Fertilise plants. Nitrogen, a crucial mineral for plant growth, can be found in tea. Additionally, it's a key component of chemical fertilizers. However, not all plants can benefit from artificial fertilizers, some prefer natural approaches. Try placing some used tea bags towards the base of the roots of any acid-loving plants, like roses or ferns, that could use a little more aid from the soil. The soil is perfect for growing these plants, since tea's tannic acid reduces pH and raises acidity. 2. Marinate the meat. Try adding some used tea bags the next time you're planning to marinate some meat. The meat will become more delicious and soft, thanks to the tea's tannins. Additionally, the acidity of the tea helps to digest meat by breaking down the protein. Those who have sensitive stomachs would especially benefit from this. 3. Repel rodents and insects. According to research, the smell of mint can deter ants, spiders, mice, and rats. Thus, peppermint tea is the finest choice for this use. Just scatter a few used tea bags throughout your house to keep these pesky creatures away. Hang them in the nooks of cabinets, or place them on shelves and worktops. 4. Polish and shine surfaces. Tea bags can also be used to polish metal, leather, and wood. This is particularly helpful for cleaning older pieces that have been careless for a while. It will assist in bringing out their inherent beauty and returning them to their initial state, making them appear brand new. To clean anything, all you have to do is rub a moist tea bag on the surface, followed by a damp sponge or towel. 5. Soothe sore feet. Try soaking your feet in warm water with caffeinated tea bags. The brew contains tannic acid, which reduces swelling. Antioxidants lower inflammation at the same time. That coffee increases blood flow to the calluses. This cure foot soak for softer, healthier feet also works to eliminate smells. 6. Treat bug bites. If you've ever experienced a mosquito bite, you are aware of how irritating it is. Your skin may become bloated and red from the itching, which can be excruciating. Fortunately, there is a simple method for treating bug bites. Packets of tea. Numerous antioxidants are included in teas served to treat and calm inflamed skin. It works quickly to relieve swelling, itching, and redness when applied directly to the bite or sting site. Simply hold a wet tea bag on the affected area until it dries out. Repeat as often as necessary. 7. Relieve sunburn pain. The next time you suffer a sunburn while on a camping trip or island vacation, keep this in mind. Applying wet tea bags to the damaged region will help with sunburn pain relief by cooling down your skin. Tea's tannins have been demonstrated to have anti-inflammatory qualities that reduce redness and inflammation as well as peeling and itching. 8. Lighten dark circles and puffy eyes. Low levels of sleep, stress, dehydration, aging skin, and even allergies can result in puffy eyes and dark circles. Thankfully, a few tea bags might aid in lessening the visibility of dark circles and swollen eyes. Place 2 tea bags over your closed eyelids for 15 minutes after soaking them in cold water. Repeat this once or twice a day until you get the desired results. 9. Care for a razor burn. A tea bag is a lifesaver if you frequently experience razor burn. It relaxes and cools the skin without leaving any residue that can aggravate or exacerbate existing skin problems. Apply some tea bags that have been cooled on your face. Press them gently into your skin, let them a few minutes to do their magic, and then wash them off. After this little procedure, you'll be astounded with how much calmer and smoother your face feels. 10. Get rid of bad smells. Tea bags can be used to refresh shoes and other smelly goods because they are a natural deodorizer. They work wonders at eliminating refrigerator odors. Put an old tea bag in the troublesome spot and change it out every few days. The effectiveness of this will wow you. 11. Wash your dirty dishes. Tea bags can also be used to soak dishes. Depending on how many filthy dishes need to be washed, simply fill the sink with hot water, add 1 or 2 used tea bags, and let them soak for 10 minutes. The tannic acids in the tea bags will help break up oil on surfaces like pots and pans, and remove food particles, making it simpler to clean them. 12. Get rid of garden pests. If you have a garden, you are aware of the serious issues that pests and fungi infections can cause for your plants. Fortunately, making a natural insecticide and fungicide is simple. Used green or white tea bags can be boiled in water. Spray it straight onto the plants after allowing it to cool. Garden pests like aphids, snails, and other bugs can be fought off with it. They won't eat your plants because of the aroma. This alternative helps prevent mold from forming on plants by eradicating disease-causing bacteria. 13. Treat acne. This advice is for you if you have a tendency toward acne. Acne can be treated with the aid of a tea bag. Tea bags are an excellent way to reduce oil production on your skin, which will lessen the visibility of pimples. Simply put a used tea bag into the affected region, after moistening it with water. This will often be your face, but feel free to test it out on your back or chest, if other areas of your body are also prone to breakouts. 14. Improve bathwater. Add some used tea bags to the water when taking a bath, to pamper your skin a little more. It's a terrific way to take advantage of tea's calming and therapeutic qualities. The tannins will aid in hydrating your skin, and lessen irritation brought on by dryness. Add a few drops of rose or lavender essential oil, for an aromatherapy-like experience. 15. Improved compost. You may recycle those tea bags at home if you compost regularly. Tea bags are excellent for giving your compost bin moisture and aeration. After brewing, the leaves retain the water, which encourages the growth of helpful bacteria in your compost. Heat and speeds up the decomposition process. You can also add used tea bags if you have a worm farm or other vermicomposting system. Try some of these suggestions, and see how they work for you. If you're still not sure that tea bags may be used for more than simply your morning or evening brew. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video.